Hi, this is Amy from Crochet Jewel channel, and I'm going to do a review on many different cotton yarns. It was a request by a couple of crocheters on one of my giveaways. So I'm going to crochet with a few of them and give you my opinion on these cotton yarns. I got most of these from Michael's or from my own stash or from Walmart. And towards the very end of the video, I am giving some of this yarn away. If you want to participate in this giveaway, please comment down below something crochet related, or maybe even your favorite cotton yarn in this video, or your favorite type of yarn. And make sure you are a subscriber. Okay, so let's see what this yarn looks like. Okay, so this is the yarn I'm going to do a review on, and some of it I will give away. So this is Grace, and this is 136 yards, 1.75 ounces, 50 grams. And so this is cotton, a really nice lime green. And it's called Ginger, and the thread is a light 3. So it's a little on the thinner side. And I did get this one from Michael's for a few dollars. Okay, so the texture is really nice, and it is a 3, so it is more of a fine yarn. And I'm just testing these to see what they feel like and how they work with the hook. I have used this yarn before. This would make for lightweight projects like socks, baby clothing, and it is a really nice texture. So you don't get a lot for $3. So it depends how big your project is. I wouldn't use this for a really big project when it costs so much just for a little amount of yarn. However, the texture is really nice. This is Peaches and Cream. I did get this one from Walmart. I believe it was just a couple of dollars. And it's 2 ounces, 4 ply, so it's on the thicker side. And it is energetic pink. And it is a 4, like I said. This is great for washcloths. So this is the typical type of cotton that I'm used to working with, that you could use for washcloths and dishcloths. It is 4 ply, it's a little bit thicker. I always find this type of cotton yarn great for those type of projects, but sometimes it can be a little stiff to work with. So that's what I would use that type of yarn for, this type of yarn for cotton. So this is called Kaboo, and it's from Walmart, if you've ever seen it there. I believe it cost me a few dollars, maybe $2 to $3. The texture of it, this might be a blend, so this might not be pure cotton. And I have used this before, and it has a really nice texture to it, so it is soft. However, it is a little difficult to work with. I think I used this for a hat, and it wouldn't stay on the hook very nicely, and it frayed easily. So I like the texture of it. However, I found it a little challenging to work with. I do like the blends though, sometimes better than just 100% cotton. So this is Sugar and Cream. I'm sure you have used this before if you have used cotton yarn, and it is just like the other one that's great for dishcloths and washcloths and scrubbers, and it's 4 ply, pretty thick. It can be a little stiff to work with, but great for those type of projects. I wouldn't use it for like clothing or anything like that. This is more for like kitchen type of crochet projects. So that's what I would recommend this one for, and usually you can get them anywhere at Walmart or Michael's for just a few dollars. Now this is thread cotton yarn. Usually I have used these. They're usually called the Aunt Lydia's. You can get these at Michael's usually, and I believe they usually run like $5.99, right around that. And there's different sizes for how thick you would like it. Usually when you use this type of yarn, it's great for doilies and a smaller hook size, and it's really thin. And you can get it in I think size 10 and maybe a 3 in different sizes. So I got this one from Michaels, and it is really nice, soft. It's the yarn Loops and Threads. It's a 4, and it's cotton and nylon. So it is a blend, and usually with these blends, you'll find them to be more on the softer side. So it's not 100% cotton. So this texture is soft, and it will fray just a little bit like the other one that was the pink one. This is great for little projects because it does cost a few dollars for just a small amount. So like little baby booties or little baby mittens or little socks or something like that. But it does have a really nice soft texture to it. This is 100% cotton yarn May Stays from Walmart, and this one was a few dollars, like $3 or so. It's a 4-ply. It is a decent quality, probably a little bit better than Sugar and Cream. So this is great for kitchen type of projects, like maybe even a hand towel and washcloth and dishcloth. Premier Home cotton, and it does have 15% polyester. It reminds me of the Sugar and Cream kind of yarn. This is 4-ply, so it's great again for kitchen type of projects, and the texture is similar to the Sugar and Cream one. This is cotton yarn from, I believe I got this one from Michaels, Sugar and Cream. This is great for kitchen projects, and I want to say this one I spent maybe $8 or so, but I've had this one for quite a long time. Loops and Threads, and this is 4-ply cream cotton. This one is really soft, 432 yards, 7 ounces. This cream cotton yarn is really soft, like almost like a very baby velvet type of soft. And this one I did get from Michaels, and it is probably great for like baby type of clothing. It's so soft to the touch, or even a blanket. And I think I've had this one for quite a while, so I can't remember exactly how much it cost. I know right now at Michaels they're having 30% off all yarn. I want to say this one was probably like $5.99 or $6.99. So this Karen Cotton Funnels cake, I just made an Easter basket with it. If you'd like to take a look at that video, it is 100%, and it is a size medium 4 rose petal, and it's pretty easy to work with. I did 2 strands for a basket. This would be great for any type of clothing. You could even do a scarf, baskets, anything like that. This one, it cost me I want to say $12, and I did get 30% off of that from Michaels. I love these cotton cakes. They are really nice. So this is what it looks like when it's finished. These are Karen cotton cakes, and they are a blend of cotton and acrylic, 40% acrylic. These are great for ponchos, shawls, sweaters, anything like that. They are a size 4 medium, and I did make a shawl with one of these, and it turned out really nice. So I did just buy one of these cakes, and they were $11.99 at Michaels, and they had a 30% off all yarn. And I love to use these for ponchos and shawls, and it looks really nice when the project is finished. It is a size 4 medium, and I do find it a little on the thinner side. However, for cotton, it's really nice to work with, but it does have the 40% acrylic. This is the shawl that I made with one of the Karen cakes, and it turned out really nice. And I'm giving away that Karen cake, so comment down below something crochet related or yarn related. I'm giving away this yarn, 100% yarn, make sure you are a subscriber. I'm giving away that Premier Home there, the cotton yarn, and I'm giving away this lime green Grace and this Peaches and Cream, and I'm going to give away this white Capri yarn here. So if you'd like to comment down below to participate and then come back in a few days to see if you're the winner, and please make sure you are a subscriber. I hope you enjoyed this review and this giveaway, and thank you for watching.